Hi there, welcome again to Fifth Wheelers Australia at Ballarat, and today I'd like to show you a tray install of a 3-inch gooseneck ball. We're on a Ford Ranger here. It's a brand new extra cab Ranger. Whether it be that or the Mazda BT50, they're both essentially the same kit. The kit comes with all the bracketry for the chassis, no drilling required, all nuts and bolts supplied, 4 brackets onto the corners, a stay bar there that works off your spare wheel winch, and then 2 floor rails would go on. If it was a tub, these 2 rails here would be in the tub. This tray model has an additional tray kit, and that's height adjustable. We've got it on its lowest setting, and it's 960 off the ground, and it places the ball straight over the diff. In this extra cab version, it's 850mm off the back wall. You can rotate this centre box, and it'll be 50mm in front of the axle, and that would put maybe the handle on the other side for the release of the ball. It's a Hayman Reese kit. It comes with an ADR approval sticker that accepted at any state in Australia. Comes with an extra one here that you stick inside the door pillar. So yeah, it's called a tray Hydergoose system. I'll show you how the ball works around this side. So there's a secondary locking tab there that lifts up. That little top of the handle would poke through your tray. Reach in under the wheel arch, pull that, locks to the side, and then the ball comes out. So the only thing coming through the tray would be this collar here. It's a 90mm hole saw. That drops back in there. The handle fires in, secondary pin falls down. It's best to take the tray off to fit it, and then you want to be looking at your swing clearances from the how much space you've got in the front of the gooseneck. So you want to go from that point there to the corner of your tray. It needs to be shorter from the gooseneck to the front wall of the fifth wheeler. So that's a tray Hydergoose for the Mazda or the Ford, and you can get them for the other vehicles as well. Look us up in Horse Deals, look us up on Caravan and Camping Sales, or contact us for your Hayman Reese products at fifthwheelersaustralia.com.au. Thanks again.